In this video, you will learn how to install the Lorex Connect V Series 8-channel NVR and Turret Camera. This camera is available in black or white. These products are only compatible with the Lorex Connect App. What's in the box? An NVR, mouse, power adapter, HDMI cable, and a network cable, as well as a turret camera, RJ45 weatherproof cable gland, mounting template, 3 mounting anchors, and 3 mounting screws. It is recommended to connect the cameras to the NVR first before mounting them. To begin, connect the NVR to your router with the network cable. Next, connect the RJ45 weatherproof cable gland and connect it to the NVR. Connect a monitor to the NVR by using the included HDMI cable and USB mouse. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to the NVR. Turn the power switch on the NVR to on. You will see a light turn on. Refer to the monitor and follow the on-screen steps to complete the Lorex Setup Wizard. Download the Lorex Connect app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, create a new account or log in with your existing Lorex Connect account. Note, you will have to sign up for a Lorex Connect account. You cannot use your Lorex Classic login. Tap Add Device and select Recorder. Then follow the in-app steps to complete the setup. You will have to create a password for your NVR. Once you've added your recorder in the app and can see the added camera, you're ready to mount the camera in the desired location. Decide what you want to monitor and pick a spot that gives you the widest, clearest view. For best performance, mount the camera at about 10 feet, 3 meters high. Mark and drill the holes using the mounting template. To route the cable neatly along a wall, use the camera's cable notch. Insert anchors. Drill the mounting bracket using the screws. Feed the cable through and line up the camera with the bracket. Set the angle, then turn the cover until it locks. Connect power and secure the weather-resistant cap. Remove the lens film and adjust the camera for the optimal view. Once your camera is installed, use the Lorex Connect app to set motion detection. Create motion detection zones by dragging your fingers on the phone screen. Enable deterrence lighting or send quick responses.
We will be right there.
We hope you found this installation video helpful. For more information or product support, check the package details or visit www.lorex.com/help.